Hello and welcome. In this video we will be going to see how to install Linux on Android device without root access. So you can install either Ubuntu, either Kali, either ArcOS, either CentOS as you wish, and all of these will be done within a duration of 10 to 15 minutes and the installation will be complete. Okay, so now what we will do is search on Google Play Store AnLinux. This app will give us the source of downloading the Linux images or the Linux SSH server links where we can configure them and run on our Android device. And the second app we will be needing is Termux. So go and search TERMUX Termux. And now open this because I have already installed. Termux will perform or will act as a command line interface between us and the phone. So now first of all what you have to do is go to AnLinux. This will, as I said, will be the source to get the files of any Linux version. So as you can see, I open, just click I understand and close. And now what you have to do is go on dashboard, choose anyone. I will choose Kali because I need Kali. I think Kali is a very good distribution of Linux. So now you have to click on copy and click on launch. It will launch Termux. Termux will perform some installations. So here in Termux we can run Linux command. As you can see, I have typed in clear. I will click enter and all the introduction part will be cleared, and just hit enter to run the commands, and you can see here. And now just paste that copied text here, and it will start the installation will take time depending upon your processing speed, depending upon your network speed. So I will skip a little, and we will meet soon when my installation will be completed. I will be right back. So now you can see I have downloaded all the files, and now it's decompressing the files, and it will not take much time because decompressing is not a big task. So okay, it has been done. I will just type in clear just to remove all these log files, log commands rather we can say. And now I will type in /start -kali.sh, and you can see just by hitting enter we are in root. And to verify we will type in pwd command of Kali, and you can see we are root user. And just to verify that it is Linux, I will type in the some other commands, that is cat f1, and it says no such file or directory. I will type in cat angular bracket f1, which will make a file named f1, and I will just type in hello for example, and control C will quit it. And now I will ls, and you can see f1 file is created. Now let's make some directory or things. So type in mkdir. I will just give a name lol to this folder, and now you can see cd lol takes me to that directory. Now you can see it is installed. Exit will log out. And so this was the video for installing Kali on your device without any root access. You can choose any of the distributions. And thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.